Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute layered card for you. This is my back to school layered card. How fun is this design? Really bold back to school sentiment there. You've got the ABCs, the pencil and the book, and some stars because, you know, kids are our stars. There's a big spot there for your message, and I include an envelope as well. This one's really fun and really customizable, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account with me already, you can go ahead and click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at each option and see which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and enter my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. Now this file is free, so it's available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships can find the file in the Free Files page. Basic and premium members will be able to find the file in the file library. No matter how you access the file, make sure to download it to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark blue, the yellow, lighter blue, gray, and then blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer these together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. Let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Take that messaging panel and we can attach that to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? I can totally see you changing up the colors depending on your child's school colors. It's just really fun. I know that back to school time isn't a huge card making event, but this would be really perfect if someone was a little nervous to be going into a new school, or maybe this way you can give a gift card for some new school supplies or some new school clothes. Just really fun, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.